the PolycomVVX310. In this video, we will go over the device features and some commonly used functionality to get you up to speed with your new phone. When you first set up your phone, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the hardware and button locations. On the left is your handset, and on the right is your display screen and keypad. Next to the keypad, you will see some additional buttons for quick access to different features of the device, such as your navigational arrow keys, headset and speakerphone buttons, and physical mute, hold, and voicemail buttons. At the bottom of the device is a physical volume control. Using this button while the device is idle will adjust the ring volume. Using the button while on a call will adjust the volume for the medium you are using via handset, headset, or speakerphone. The display screen is your main source of information from the device. When the display is idle, you will see the time and date, your line key and soft key options, as well as feature notifications like voicemail or do not disturb. The buttons to the left and right of the screen are your line keys. These keys can be configured to add additional lines to use with your main extension, assign busy lamp field or remote line keys for other extensions, and even allow you to assign login and logout buttons for hunt groups. The buttons below the screen are your soft keys. These buttons will change depending on the current activity of the phone. When idle, you have direct access to forwarding and do not disturb. To dial an outbound call, enter a phone number from the dial pad, then pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information, such as the dialed number and call duration, will be visible on the screen, and you will have access to additional soft key options while on the active call. You can start a second call by simply pressing your line key again. This will put the first caller on hold and present a dial tone for you to call another party on a separate line. To answer an incoming call, simply pick up the handset, press the headset button, or press the speakerphone button to start your call on your preferred medium. Call information, such as the caller ID and call duration, will be visible on the screen, as well as additional soft key options for your active call. To answer a call waiting, simply press the blinking line key. This will automatically place the first caller on hold and answer the new call. You can return to the first caller by simply pressing the line key once more. While on a call, you can place the caller on hold by pressing the hold button or pressing the hold soft key. The call will immediately be placed on hold, showing the word hold on the display screen, as well as the caller ID, phone number, and hold duration. To pick the call back up, press the line key where the call is being held, indicated by the blinking LED, or press the resume soft key on the screen. A warm or attended transfer allows you to consult with the party to which you are sending the call to before completing the transfer. On the bottom of the screen, press the transfer soft key. This will place the caller on hold. Dial the number or extension you wish to transfer to and wait for the party to answer the call. After your deliberations, you can complete the transfer by pressing the transfer key again or simply hanging up your phone, and the call will be immediately connected to the second party. A blind transfer allows you to immediately transfer a call to another number or extension. While on a call, press the transfer soft key to place the caller on hold. Press the blind soft key to change the transfer type. Dial the extension or number you wish to transfer to, and press the send button. The call will immediately start ringing to the second party. Conference calls allow you to merge two active calls together with your line, granting a three-party call. While on a call, press More to access the second page of soft keys, then press the conference soft key. The initial party is placed on hold. Dial the new number or extension and wait for the new party to answer the call. Finally, press the conference button again to merge the two calls. You can use the additional soft key options to manage the conference call. Press the hold soft key to put the conference call on hold. Press the split soft key to split the callers from the conference and place both callers on separate holds. You can end the conference call by pressing the End Call soft key. If a caller needs to hold for a user that is not currently at their desk or is near a different device, you can easily park the call to allow them to pick it up from any device on the account. Press the More soft key to access the second page of the soft key options. Then press the soft key labeled Park. The call will immediately be placed on hold on a parked extension number, and your device is sent an SMS text message to advise you of the parked extension. Press the Instant Message soft key to read the text. Now, any user can simply dial the extension number to immediately pick the call up on their device. If you need to move a call to a different device, you can use the call flip feature to send the call back to your extension. Press the More soft key 2 times to access the third page of the soft key options. Then press the Call Flip soft key. The call will be placed on hold and is transferred back to your extension, allowing you to answer it on a different device assigned to your user account. The call history stores records of all calls made and received to this device. You can quickly access pre-sorted lists by pressing the arrow keys at the idle screen. The left arrow will open your received calls. The right arrow will open your placed calls. And the down arrow will open your missed calls. To access the full history, press the Menu button, then navigate to Directories and select Recent Calls. You can redial any number from the list by using the arrow keys to select the call and pressing the Dial soft key. You can also add a history call as a contact. Select the call with the arrow keys and press the Info soft key. Press the Save key and edit the name, phone numbers, and contact information. Then press the Save soft key to store the information in your phone's directory. To access the directory, press the Menu button, navigate to Directories, and select Contact Directory. Any contacts you've added to the device will be listed here, and you can select the contact and press the Dial soft key to quickly call out to the party. You can also press the Add soft key to create new contacts at any time. To turn on Do Not Disturb and send callers directly to voicemail, press the D&D soft key on the idle display screen. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the top of the screen. Press the button again to turn off Do Not Disturb. You can set call forwarding from your device at any time. You can access the settings quickly by pressing the forward key on the idle screen. You can also access the forwarding settings from the main menu. Press the Menu button, then select the Forward option from the main menu. If you have a remote line key enabled for another extension, you will have 2 individual forward settings for both lines. Select the line you wish to edit. You have 3 forwarding options. Always Forward will immediately forward all calls received to this extension to the number you entered. No Answer Forward will forward any calls you miss while idle or on a call to the number you entered after your specified ring time. By default, your unanswered calls are forwarded to your voicemail. Busy Forward will forward any calls that you reject to the number you entered. By default, rejected calls to your extension automatically forward the caller to your voicemail. When a caller leaves a voicemail, you will see an envelope icon appear next to your line keys. This note will stay visible until you listen to the new voicemail message. To check your voicemail, press the voicemail button on your phone. If you have additional line alias keys assigned, you will see 2 lines in the message center. Select your extension. On this page, you can see how many urgent, new, and old messages you have stored in the voicemail box. Press the Connect soft key to dial out to your voicemail. Enter your PIN to access your voicemail box, where you can listen to your voicemail messages or edit your outgoing greetings from the automated voice menu.